What's up, guys? What's going on? Hoping you guys are doing fine like I am here. Welcome back to my channel. In case you're new to this channel, welcome. Make sure you subscribe if you love how to make money content. Here we grow one another, we help one another, we answer different kind of questions. If you have any question, ask in the comment section. We will definitely help you out. We help one another grow. If you love that kind of content, hey, subscribe and also like this video because it's gonna be so informative. In today's video, I'm gonna be giving you guys 10 different ways to make money. So I figured my top 10 ways to make money, the most easy ways. I believe you guys will pick at least one, if not two, and we will be good. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Where I figured out is freelance writing. In case you're wondering who is a freelancer, what is freelance writing? This entails writing online, so you can become an online writer. So you create content online. If you're an online writer, then you do articles, you write articles for people. You can also do assignments for people, online writing. I gave you guys where to get this kind of jobs in a video I did about how to become a freelance writer. So in case you've not checked that video, I'll put it here on the suggestions so that you guys can go and check it out. I always tell you guys to at least have one thing you are doing online, if not two. Instead of just wasting all the time on your phone, to spare 1 hour in a day and do something with your phone. Do something that brings you money. The second way that you can make money online, my favorite, is through transcription. Transcription is whereby you're given an audio or a video and then you type what you hear. So mostly these jobs are usually all over the place. If you go to the internet and search transcription jobs, maybe if you're in Kenya, transcription jobs in Kenya, you're going to see them. Also, there are so many sites that give transcription jobs. For example, we have Transcribeme. I feel like it's a good site for beginners. So you're going to be given an audio, you listen to it and you type within 1 hour. So definitely there's a time limit. If you can really listen to English well or Swahili or a certain language well and type it fast, if you're good at typing, then transcription is a good thing. And one thing about it, you get to be paid per hour. So in 1 hour, you might be paid maybe $25, which is a good amount to earn in an hour or in a day. You know, you don't have to do them the whole day. If you do just one in 1 day, you're just good. It's a good side hustle, and some people make it their full-time job. People are really making money with transcription. So if you're good at listening and typing fast, then transcription is it for you. I will also put a suggestion here on the transcription sites that usually give transcription jobs. I'll also put in my description. So if you're interested in any of this, check my description and you'll see I've given links to all these things to make your work easier, guys. I want you guys to get jobs. That way you can make money is through YouTube vlogs. So I've talked about YouTubing. I always encourage you guys to start a YouTube channel. I know you people have seen, like right now, almost 30% of Kenyans are making money through YouTube. I don't know what you're waiting for if you don't have a YouTube channel. And also, remember, you can do any kind of content on YouTube. You don't have to do videos like you see me doing. You don't have to do like someone. Just be yourself. One thing is that people are gonna like you. You know, the way you are. There are so many people who admire the way you are. So if you can do vlogs, just do them. With time, YouTube is going to monetize your channel and you'll make money. But one thing with YouTube, it doesn't have quick money. So if you're looking for quick money, YouTube is not for you. But if you want a side hustle, then YouTube can be a great thing. All you need to do is just to be patient. Some of us started more than a year ago and we are still pushing. So if you come to YouTube, don't come with a mentality of getting riches so fast. No, but it depends with luck. Some people come to YouTube and within 1 month or 2 months their channel is blowing up and they make so much money. You've seen people like Diana Bahati making so much money on YouTube, more than 500,000 in a month. Another way that is almost related to YouTube is blogging. Okay, they are not related because YouTube, you do videos. Blogging, you write. I'm gonna do a video on how to make money with Opera News because many people have been making so much money. You see those articles you see on Opera News, they've been written by bloggers. You can also become a blogger and you're going to be making money through ads. So AdSense is going to pay you. So this is what happens. You write a blog and then you post it. So once you post it, you go to AdSense and sign up with them. Then they will put ads on your blog. So you're going to be making by amount of views people watch. So if somebody views your ad, you get paid. Of course, you will make more money if you have more viewers. So you will need to choose a niche that many people want to read about. For example, politics, also health and beauty and fashion. But I feel like sports news, politics news, and celebrity news, those are the three niches that do so well when it comes to blogging. So if you're a good writer, you can start blogging. You can even start with Opera News. You'll be writing for Opera News and you get paid. You know, these articles are done by ordinary people like you and me, okay? I also started from zero. Like, I didn't know anyone and here I am. I have so many subscribers. So just start your thing. As long as you feel you have content to deliver, you feel you have something you can share to people, start your thing. You never know with God, you know. Another way you can make money is through starting a podcast. I've talked about this before. I'll put the suggestion here also and in the description. In case you don't know what a podcast is, it's an audio. So you record an audio. Make sure you have a good microphone because you want to hear about anything. So you can be talking about your life, talking about your opinions, just anything. You can start a podcast on anything. And the good thing is you don't have to show your face. So if you really don't like showing your face, a podcast is a good thing for you. Also, if you don't like typing, maybe blogging, you're not good at writing things, but you're good at talking, then you can start a podcast and make money. It's a thing that people have not yet discovered so much. So you can be among the first to start a podcast. By the time many people flock there to start their own podcast, you will have blown up because you will be among the top people. And I realized so many people are watching podcasts, but there are not so many people doing podcasts. So just if you're good at language and you can tell a story in a funny way, then start a podcast and be sure within no time we will be listening to you or watching you, whichever you decide. Another very good way to make money is through influencing. So what you do is you grow followers on your page, maybe your Instagram or your Facebook or your TikTok. And then now once you grow many followers, you become an influencer. Brands are going to contact you, maybe to give you their products to try and review. You can also monetize that audience. So if you have followers, you can make use of them. For example, you can sell your products to them. Of course, if you have followers and you start a shop, it's going to blow up because you're going to be advertising a thing and so many people want it. And it's like that. That's how influencers make money. And there are so many ways actually influencers make money. Even those brand collaborations, they are so good. Like, you get free products and you try them and you get paid for trying them. You guys, if you have a large following, or if you love being on social media, for example, those three, then become an influencer. Get serious with your brand and market it. Make sure you use your audience to make money. Don't just have an audience that doesn't help you. Use that audience to make you money. Something that is related to that is social media management. So if you love being online, you can get social media management jobs. Just go to Google and type, or where you search, Google search, and type social media marketing jobs. You're going to get them there, but definitely you need to be so good at social media and you need to be someone who loves staying on social media. So if you're that internet person, you're always staying on the internet doing things, You can manage social media accounts for people, because nowadays people are so busy. They want to be online. For example, politicians, they want to be online and they're also offline. Like, they don't have time to be online, so they employ people to manage their accounts. And these jobs are so many nowadays. So in case you want that, or even companies, they want to be known online. So if you're good at social media, if you love being online all the time, this is a good opportunity for you. Just go to Google and search social media marketing jobs or social media management jobs, and voila, you'll get them there. Another way that people are making money right now is through tutoring. So you become a part-time tutor, and mostly is a language. If you have a special language that you can speak, for example, Swahili, or maybe Spanish, or English. Even English, it's only that English is so competitive. If you have a special thing, you can tutor people, then you can go and search tutoring websites. I also gave you guys so many websites for tutoring. I'll put that in the description so that you guys can check those sites. If you log into those sites, you are not going to miss at least 1 or 2 jobs for tutoring. So you can tutor students online and make money. Also, you can create an account on Udemy. I'm not marketing for Udemy, but you can create an account there and become a tutor. A tutor is just like a teacher. You just teach people a skill that you have. It doesn't really matter, even if it's not a language. I just said a language because it came to my mind. If you're good at maybe creating something, maybe it's playing an instrument, maybe a guitar or something. By the way, instruments also do so well. If you have something unique that you can do and you want to train people, then you can become a tutor. You train people and you get to be paid. And a good thing about becoming a tutor is that the job is so flexible. You are the one who will schedule the students. When you're free, you tell them when you're free, and you create a timetable that will favor you. So it's a good part-time job. You can be going to your work, maybe if you have a 9 to 5 job, and then in the evening, have your students, and it's a good side hustle. Next thing I'm gonna talk about is reviewing apps, because many people are creating apps nowadays and there's nobody to review them. So you can get paid to review an app. Also, maybe companies want to test if their app is doing good and they don't have people to test them. So you can be testing apps and get paid, or also testing new products, getting paid for that. And it's a good way. Like, these are just side hustles that you can do. It doesn't matter if you have a 9 to 5 job. Another side hustle that you can do, it's not a full-time job, is answering surveys. I always tell you guys, surveys cannot give you income. Like, you cannot rely on survey for a living, but it's a good way to make money on the side. Like, for me, I never use credit, because most of the time I do surveys and they give me credit. And there are so many survey sites out here that you can try. We have iPol, we have Geopol. These are the ones that give surveys often. We also have Paid Viewpoint. I can't figure out the others, but there are so many survey sites that you can try just for extra coin. I don't know if you guys usually try these things that I tell you, but they are so good. Like, imagine getting 50 airtime for just answering a few questions, and that's it. And you don't even use more than 10 minutes. You just answer a few questions, pop, 50 airtime. Answer another one, pop, 100. It's a good way because you don't buy credit. You forget about buying credit or airtime in your phone. Guys, if you've reached this part and you've not liked this video, I don't know what you're waiting for. Support your girl. Like this video so that I'll know that you guys enjoyed. Also, make sure you check out my other channel for vlogs, and I'm posting a lot of content there. If you don't like how to make money videos, you can watch those vlogs. Balance, guys. It's called Balance. Yeah, and I love doing vlogs so much. So guys, go and support your girl on the other channel. Also follow me on IG. In case you have a question, also DM me on IG. If you don't want to comment here a personal question, just DM me on IG. I always answer you guys, and I'm loving how we are growing. I hope we continue growing. God protects us all so that we can continue growing. And yeah, guys, I'm glad you've watched this video till this part, and I'm hoping to see you in my next video. I always post on Mondays and Thursdays, so make sure you tune in every Monday, every Thursday at exactly 11 p.m. New video. So I'm hoping to see you guys then. Subscribe so that you won't see this cute face. And until next time, bye guys.